Hello guys, good morning. Yeah, so today I decided to go and take the vaccine because I was scheduled for today, and I'm going to share with you whatever I'm going to go through and the reaction I'm going to face and the experience I'm going to share with you guys. So come with me, let's do this together. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm finally here, and as you can see, a lot of people are around, wanted to take their vaccine. So I'm also waiting, so maybe I'll be taking my vaccine any moment from now. Yeah. As you can see a lot of people around, wanted to take their vaccine also. Yeah. So guys, this is the vaccine center, as you can see. This center is giving out sinovacs. Yeah, so I'm here to take the sinovacs and experience the reaction, then tell you guys how the reaction is. Yeah. Okay, so at the moment it's a procedure which I have to go through. Yeah, so as you can see, a lot of people are around here waiting to take their vaccine. So I've also been given some forms to fill, which I did, as you can see. Yeah, which I did. So very soon it will get to my turn, then I will go and take my vaccine. Yeah. Actually, this is my first time to take, so I think this is the first dose. Yeah, and I'm waiting to see the reaction of the dose. Yeah, and it's Sinovac. So yeah, I'm going through the process and the procedures. Yeah, okay. So as you can see, people are taking their vaccine.
Sir, sit down, sir.
Okay. Can you take
Okay.
me?
Okay.
Maluga.
Video niya pala eh. Video? Okay.
Sir, same piece. Same piece. Oh, same piece.
Elsa me. Accept yan eh. Kaya kayo. Okay, sir? Okay.
Yeah, thank you.